Hello, my name is Mr. Liu and I am your 7-minute sensei. Today's clip is a short review for the digital business applications Strand number 2. In Strand number 2, we learn about ethical and legal issues pertaining to business as well as education. In Standard 1, you need to understand about acceptable use policies or AUPs as well as fair use policies. The difference between the two, when we're looking at acceptable use policies, these are agreements that you sign, whether it be for using a computer in the classroom or using a computer at work. These are agreements that say, this is how to use this equipment appropriately. Do not do this, and so forth. So do not download illegal software. You might be told that you cannot use gaming or games while you're at work or in the classroom. That is acceptable use policy. It would also pertain to social media use. So when you're on social media, you may be instructed to act civilly and not say any kind of disparaging marks against other people. With fair use policy, we're looking at more about copyright issues. In fair use, you have to consider things such as the purpose of using this copyrighted material. So for example, if I'm using it for educational purposes and I'm not using it for commercial purposes, that would be considered fair use. How much of the material I'm using is another factor to consider. The potential market of the content and the value of the content, that's all under fair use. That is Strand number 2 and Standard number 1. In Standard number 2, you learn about FERPA. FERPA is the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA. It is a federal law that allows parents access to their child's records at least up to age 18. Some students that are younger than age 18 but yet are in college or in a university, they would also be exempt from that policy, because parents, once a student graduates from high school, parents would not have access to those student records. That's the FERPA law, and I hope that this information has been helpful for you in reviewing Strand number 2 in digital business applications.